Hello there, my name is Andrei Kudov and I am the founder and president of Silicon Valley Innovation Center. I've started this company about 9 years ago with a single mission to connect the large established companies from all over the world with the local innovation ecosystem of Silicon Valley. We bring executives from all parts of the world to Silicon Valley to introduce them to new technologies, innovation, and opportunities to transform their business in some incredible ways that they would never think about before.
Being here and having gone through the program with you and meeting all these companies, we actually see a lot more of the details involved.
It's a new way of thinking.
They gave us some insight.
I was really impressed how fast is blockchain getting into the industry and how useful it's going to be.
And how we can drive this digital transformation in our company.
There are a lot of opportunities out there.
An unforgettable experience.
It was nice to see companies come in and sit down with you and literally, how can we help you?
We can actually take a lot of these key learnings, these real details, real life situations, and try to synthesize that into something that would work in Vietnam.
So if you want to understand how your business is going to look like 10 years from now, what kind of technologies you would like to use in order to transform your business, let's connect and talk about how Silicon Valley Innovation Center can help you and your company.